All right. YouTube chat is not working. Log out to sign in. Now it's working. Okay, did it. Chats are hooked up. All right. It's time to get Droppy Ball's Play Store working. So the first thing I need, well, actually, I think it's the last thing I need. Yeah. Oh no, data safety. What's this one? It's a questionnaire. I thought I did this. Oh, okay. So yeah, the last thing I need is the privacy policy. And that needs a URL. So we're going to be doing a little bit of web dev today. But it's just going to be static web page, luckily. Let's get this. Yes. Well, maybe I don't want to bring this over. Because I was given a website, but how do I host the website? Let's see. Yep, we might need to look this up. All right. How to host a website for Google Workspace. Sites? Huh? Apps. Google Workspace sites. Okay. Enter the current URL for the site. Okay. Oh, it's a Google site. Okay, that's different. That's a different thing. Because I know I have this. I have mojogames.dev. And it says we're under construction. Oh, it's Squarespace. There we go. Says it up there. All right, we'll just keep that up. Let's go to Squarespace. Oh, except for the domain is not. Oh, no, it's here. It's here. Okay. There's the domain. Website. is there a way to do a free static site hosting on Squarespace? Let's look that up. Can I do free static website hosting on Squarespace? Because I know Google Domains could do it. Free trial. All right, it's looking like that's a big old nope. So we're gonna go to my tried and true Netlify. I love Netlify. I guess this. What best describes my role, huh? Skip this step for now. All right. So let's make a static site. And yeah, I've decided that there's no way AI can't do exactly what I want, right? Okay. Seemed like a lie, but okay. So, create. We'll start with just the privacy policy. Generate an interview for me that allows me to fill out a custom privacy policy for my Android app game that will be hosted on the Play Store. Ask questions that are used to fill out the custom privacy policy, then generate the policy. Boom. I asked the same thing in 2 ways. I can't get it wrong, right? All right. Let's see how this goes. Privacy policy for Droppy Ball. And let's see. Let's make a new folder. I think I've got I've got like a web one. Huh? I don't. So we'll just do web Mojo games. .dev. We'll just do the full URL. And grab this. Ink. Paste. And this will be site. Goes to the mojogames.dev repo. So that's done. Now we need to make that folder. cd code. Or no, this is PowerShell. I can do ls. Okay. So we're gonna make dir web. Make dir mojogames.dev. And then we'll open up NVim. We'll go site. And we're here. Index.html. Boom, bam, baby. Oh, the next question is, do I have... Here, let's just do this. Do I have any sort of LSP? Mason? Is this what I type? HTML. HTML LSP. That looks like the right one. I think I press I. Is that right? Installing. Yep. Seems like I already have JavaScript in here. Do I need CSS? CSS LSP. Let's do that. Okay. So, and then let's just make, oh, have I done that? Oh, opens it in another window. Interesting. Okay. Or should I make a folder? I think it's this is a folder. No. D is a folder. What should we call it? Privacy policy. And we will create Droppy Ball policy.html. Okay. Doc type HTML. Perfect. Head. Ooh. Head. Body. Okay, interesting. All right, so the first thing I need to do is I'm going to go over to Jam. Snag this bad boy. And we're going to go here. We're going to paste this here. And it's going to be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yes, and I think I need to quit to make that work. Oh, I didn't do this one yet. So head. There we go, yeah. But I wish it would auto close for me. Oh well. Okay. I guess let's just do this, or no, this, and then privacy policy. Yep, this, add that so we can swap between the two. Okay. last updated, current date. This privacy policy governs the manner in which Mojo Games collects, uses, maintains, and discloses information collected from users. Let's see, what are some other privacy policies? Let's just go to the Play Store. Let's see. What's my favorite game? Bloons. I'm a fan of Bloons. Oh man, my HDR thing is being weird again. Data safety. Where do you see the privacy policy? App support. Privacy policy. Okay. Okay. I will not be collecting any information. Maybe I should rewrite this. So one key thing about this app is that it will collect no user information. It will maybe collect device information and analytics on usage, and that's it. Cool. Our app is designed to not collect. Yeah, okay. We may collect non-personal identification information about users whenever they enter. No. No, I'm not collecting I'm gonna say about app usage here. All right, I think we're in a pretty good spot where I can just pull this out. Is this markdown? Okay, just do that. Yeah, is this markdown? Should I do policy.md paste? Nope, it's not markdown. Wish I could like copy it, create. Oh, create a web page. Yeah. Oh, yep, there we go. All right, show me the money. Nice. Oh, it's just it just imports Tailwind for me. Okay. And some fonts. Whoa. That's kind of nice. Make it dark mode. The heck? See, I figured the AI could do this one. Boom bam, baby. Dark mode. Although I don't like the blue. Instead of blue, make my primary color black or dark gray. I want it to be very dark mode. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Aw, lame. Okay, go back to the blue. Well, okay, actually, let's... Okay, instead, make the icons a deep... no. A nice purple. And make the surface colors gray or black. All right, come on. Show me the money. Yeah, they're not getting it. I can maybe figure it out though. So let's copy the code. And we will go here and paste that in. Chosen palette. So yeah, where can I see the palette? Slate. Man, am I gonna have to learn Tailwind for this? Maybe I should make it keep going. Yeah, let's look at the preview. At a glance section. So these are gray, but this is blue, right? Or are these just a blue-gray? Container. Yeah, background slate 900. What are the odds? Okay. Tailwind. Quick search. Yeah. Wait. Tailwind is even darker than what they just did. Okay. Background slate 900. Yeah, what the heck? Styling the utility class dark mode. Yeah, let's try this. HTML class dark. Also, I need to just open this in a browser, don't I? Pull this over. Where's my code? Okay. So let's go down here and dark ground, yeah, background black. What does that do? Yeah, black. Okay. So next, instead of slate, yeah. How do I learn these classes though? Background gray. Let's do that. Text slate. Yeah, so this one. Is that? No, that's not right. This is an H2. Div. All right, we're going to just try this again. The surfaces. Okay. The icons are great. The surfaces are still a bluish color. I believe it's called slate in Tailwind. Please make the surfaces or the body background color black and the card background colors gray. I'm too nice to AI. Boom! There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. All right. Let's snag this code and do a little paste Rooney. And open that up. Yeah, nice. Let's go to my title. Privacy policy 4. Oops. Droppy Ball. And in fact, okay. I'm not going to worry about these comments. What's next? Your name. My app name. Droppy Ball. Okay, where's the next bracket? There it is. Your developer name. Ooh. Okay, we'll just do this. Mojo Games LLC. What does that look like? Oh, it's just, okay. It was just indenting for me. Got it. And then next, this one. Droppy Ball. Okay, next, your developer name. Mojo Games LLC. Next, contact email. support@mojogames.dev. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Actually, what was it? Your developer name. Mojo Games LLC. Next. Okay, that's it. Can I just refresh? Oh, I can. I feel like in the past I couldn't just do that, but all right. These drop downs are terrible. Here, let's just say get rid of the accordions and just use static page content. Just make static content visible at all times. Perfect. And then I'll just say, my company name is Mojo Games LLC. My game name is Droppy Ball, and the contact email is support@mojogames.dev. Fill out the code, please. Okay. I think this is the last time. Well, okay, no. Let's make sure this isn't the last time I need this. So, no personal data. We do not collect any personal identifiable information. Wow, did I say personable? Personally identifiable information like your name or email. We collect anonymous data to fix bugs and improve your game experience. Technically, we don't even do that yet. So maybe I'll say like we will. We plan to. No selling data. Yes. Okay. Collects, uses, maintains, and discloses information from the users of Droppy Ball mobile application. What we collect. Our app is designed to not collect any personal information. However, we do collect some anonymous, non-personal data automatically to ensure the app works correctly and to improve its functionality. Here's what we collect. Nice. Device information. We may collect information like the type of device you are using, its operating system, and unique but anonymous device identifiers. This helps us optimize the game for different hardware and software. Perfect. This includes anonymous information about how you use the app, such as the features you interact with, how long you play, and technical errors or crashes. This is vital for us to identify and fix issues. We might collect general technical data, such as information about the internet service provider used to access our app. This helps us diagnose widespread connection issues. I might remove that section because I don't care about that at all. Third-party services. To help us with analytics and game features, we use trusted third-party services. Yeah. Sure. I mean, I don't actually technically use those yet, but we will. Yeah, maybe I'll comment it out for now or something. Fine print, data security. We adopt appropriate data collection, storage, and processing practices and security measures to protect against authorized access, unauthorized access, alteration, disclosure, or destruction of any data stored related to our app. Sure. Yep. Yeah, that's fine. Changes to this privacy policy. Mojo Games LLC has the discretion. Okay, yep. By using this app, you signify your acceptance of this policy. If you do not agree to this policy, please do not use our app. Sure. Questions, ask this. Okay, so this is pretty good. There were like only a few tweaks that I would make. And so that, and next is, oh, let's just make it dark mode by default. What was the thing that I wanted to comment out? It's called third-party services. Third-party services section. We'll just comment that out. All right. The heck? Okay. Oh, and technical information. That was the other one that I wanted to get rid of. What we collect. Technical information. This thing. Let's just comment it out, I guess. Boom. Just like that. I have a privacy policy. Next is to host it. So I should be able to... let's see. I'll make a repo. That's easier to just make a repo. New project. Oh, but I should have a home page, huh? Shoot. New chat. Yo, what's up? What's up, Sir Lunchalot? I am making the privacy policy for Droppy Ball. It looks like this. AI did it. Pretty solid. And we're gonna make a home page now. Actually, you know what? Maybe I go back. Oh, crap. That's not what I wanted. I wanted this. In a similar style, create a home page for my company's website that basically says under construction, but has a link to the Droppy Ball privacy policy on it, and a link to our play testing form. Yeah, no one's in YouTube today. Just you in the Twitch chat for now. Oh, this is perfect. Look at that. Yeah, I figured if anything, AI can at least make static websites. You know what I mean? It's gotta be okay. Let's see, what's next? I wanted to do, okay, a privacy policy. This will be Droppy Ball. I hope that doesn't screw things up too much. Yeah, it's not bad. And the link will be privacy policy / Droppy Ball privacy policy. Oops. Boom. And join our playtest. Let's get the link to that. Where did I put it? It's in the Discord. This guy, but that's not what I want. I want the link. Copy link. Yes, okay. That's the link. Join our playtest. So now, there we go. Okay, cool. In the meantime, okay, we are hard at work creating an amazing online experience. That is not true. I'm just gonna say, okay. Gosh. Don't have anything to show here yet. You can sign up to be a playtester. This will be the eventual home for information regarding Mojo Games products such as Droppy Ball and so. Nice. All right. Easy enough. Easy enough. All right, let's host this. Okay, Mojo Games site. Oh no, we'll just call it mojogames.dev. There we go. Private. Get init. That's right, I'm pushing to master. Can't stop me. Okay, and then I should be able to just deploy this. Import from GitLab. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull up my authenticator. I am human. Oh, I don't remember my password. Let's look up the password. We are hard. Sorry, I just saw that. Yep, rock solid. What the heck? Why do I have 5 passwords in here? All right, let's assume it's this one. That was incorrect. Great. Loving it. Oh, okay, I got it on the second try. Yeah, better safe than sorry. Just keeping all my old passwords, I guess. Where is it? Huh? Why can't it find my repo? Oh, okay, I figured it out. Boom. That works. Base directory dot. Build command, nothing. No functions. Deploy. All right, I have a website. I mean, it's deploying. It shouldn't take long. There's no build step. Okay, so this is my new site, mojogames.netlify.app. Ta-da! How fun is that? Okay, so next I need to, well, I'll do this another time. Or should I do it now? Okay, let's do it now. I need to host it. So I think I'm good to bring this over. I hope it's fine. I hope there's no important information in here. Okay. So domains. Add a domain I already own. Add domain. Yes. Okay. So now add DNS records. So this is where I should probably not show what I'm doing. DNS. Okay. So this is happening on the other screen. Yo, what's up? Hey, we're getting a website. We're making a website. Here, sorry. Let's get some more chat in here. Okay. Let me pull this off to the side. Yeah, okay. There we go. So use custom name servers. Yes. Okay. Got it. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. All right, so now we have custom name servers. It says, you are using custom name servers for DNS resolution. There needs to be a minimum of 2 name servers at all times. Certain Squarespace domain features will be unavailable when using custom name servers. Okay. Got it. This domain, okay, yeah. Did it work just automatically? Nope. Oh. mojogames.dev. Yeah, I feel like this process usually takes a while. I'm not seeing any warnings though. I mean, before it did actually show stuff here, so that something's happening. Yeah, usually there's a warning in the site that's like, yeah, this could take up to 2 days or something like that, but it's not showing that. Oh my gosh. No, this is incorrect. This is the old site. Did I get rejected or something? Yeah, why did it go back to this site? Maybe it just does this while it's loading the other name servers. Oh well, at least I've got this bad boy for the privacy policy. Okay. So let's at least do that. Because I want to get this thing rolling. Save. Did I finish? Is that all the check boxes? Changes not yet sent for review. Yeah, so now I need this thing. Yes. Save. So now, boom. Yeah. Okay, I did it. I completed all of the checkboxes for this, and so now I can publish. How long till it refreshes the server? The name server? I always forget. I feel like a day is accurate. Maybe like 4 hours. Because I did do this in the morning, so it might be finished by the end of the day. I think it goes to some sort of like legit review. So anyway. Yeah, most dog. I just I used AI to make our site. And it looks kind of nice. Turns out AI is trained on HTML and CSS. Go figure. And it used Tailwind, by the way. It used Tailwind just by default. It was just like, yep, we're just going to import Tailwind and use that. I was like, okay. Bold move. Bold move. Tailwind is one of those things that might just be in browser too, you know what I mean? It's just become the norm. So what do I do here? Yep, good choice. Submit new questionnaire. Go to dashboard. Your temporary app name is this. That's fine. Release your app. Okay. This is what I need. Select countries and regions. All countries and regions. Is there any reason I shouldn't target a region? Shoot. I mean, I probably can't do Russia, right? Because I've heard that Russians can't buy things from the U. I guess it's not. It's a free app. Gemini, help! Is there any reason to not include a country or region when releasing my free game app on the Play Store? Holy crap. I don't think I need to do that. Alright, we're just gonna try it. If I get rejected, I think it's not the end of the world. Production, save. Except, okay, create a new release. Yes, this is what I need to do. App bundles, add from library, number 3 is pretty good. Release notes. Initial release. Okay. Next. 2 warnings. It's fine. I'm not using minification. Interesting. I wonder if we can get that in Godot. That might be kind of nice to have debug symbols. Although, again, this isn't really an Android app, it's a Godot app, so maybe not. Okay. Am I good? Save? So I've... Oh, one issue. Incomplete advertising ID declaration. Ooh. No. I think that's fine, right? Okay, there we go. Send 11 changes for review. Okay. I'm under review. We did it. Okay, I think that's it for today. Let's find something else to do, huh? Bring this back over. Yeah, let's see. Is that on my checkbox? Change form to be able to... Okay, yeah. Do I not have privacy policy? There we go. Okay. Sorry, I'm just moving things around on my issues board. Oh, I need a trailer. Well, I don't need a trailer, but I want a trailer. I really need to do that music. Maybe that should be top of the list for me this week. Yeah, we'll do that this week. These two. In fact, let's just move them to the top. Just like that. Okay. Well, next is maybe... Let's do some loop cell stuff. Because I have neglected loop cell for a bit. Untitled? What was that? Yes. Quit. Oh my gosh. Just write my social security and the last 4 digits of your credit card to get Floppy Ball for free. Yeah, I'll get on that. Droppy Ball, of course. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's just close that, yeah. Oh no. What have I done? Okay, let's try closing out, opening it again. Say hello to my desktop background. Where are the boxes? Where are they? Jared! What the heck? Okay, so I need to go to editor settings, Sprite. I guess we have a new yes. Yes, of course. Where's my Sprite? Oh, gotta sneeze. Oh no, the worst kind of sneeze. It didn't come. Oh no. There we go. I think that worked. Yep. Okay. So now, if I run it, do I have the boxes? There we go. Okay. So basically, it seems like Jared is storing the Sprite files directly in here, and there's an Sprite plugin that is able to pull them in. So that's kind of nice. Yeah, this is looking great. Why does it look so different? It's because we keep adding new art. Let's see, what's this level? Okay, yeah. Nice. Oh, close. Nope. 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 Ta-da! Yeah, a lot of credit has to go to Jared. He's been the one working on this. The most. But yeah, let's see if I can make a level. Oh crap. That is not what I meant to click on. Alright, jam. LSP is connected. Cool. Deprecated. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. The button script used in scene. This. Yes. Yes. Okay. Levels. I was gonna make a level. Where are my designs? Are they in here? Nope. Okay, open. I love when it just opens this on my main screen. Where am I looking? Frida, there we go. Game Jam. This one. This is what I want. Okay, so I designed 4 puzzles. Which one is going to be easiest to make? I think probably this one is the easiest to make. Actually, no, I take it back. That one's not very easy. Let's do this one. Let's do the first one. So this one is a tricky one. I think we've kind of decided that the fighting type, like the ones that are box pushing ones, are fighting type Pokemon names. So let's see, what's a good one? And you have to be smart. So it's a fighting type that's smart. Because you can get stuck. Fighting type that's smart, huh? I mean, Lucario? Lucario's probably the smartest looking fighting type. Box. Sure, let's just do Lucario. Oh, the music's playing. All right, so now, now I gotta figure out how to add all the things. I think, was there a tutorial? Mostock, did Jared make a tutorial for us? I don't think he did. Yeah, I can't remember. All right, so let's just look at other levels. So, let's look at Mankey. So I need the cell environment. Perfect. And then I need the tile maps. So we'll put this in a node. Yeah, I know, right? Right. Tile maps. Okay. Yeah, this background is incredible. I'm in love for sure. Okay, and then I add the floor map or the floor tile map generator, and then I add the wall tile map generator, and I think that's it. I think everything else gets generated. And I think it's like this, floor tile map generator, yep. And then this is the wall tile map generator. What does this say? Tile set. Quick load. Floor. Is it this one? Which one was it in here? Space floor top. So is that correct? Space floor top. Yeah. And then the wall one. Okay, wait. What else does it say? Draw some floor tiles. Okay. So there need to be some tiles. And that is the hard part for me. I always forget how to draw. Nope. How do I draw? Is it this? It's this. Okay, okay. All right, so I do this, I open this thing, boom. And now I can draw. So let's make the floor look like this thing. So something like this. And all the way down. Maybe a little bit of this. Okay, and then I gotta replace these ones. Anyway, okay. So now I did. I drew. It says draw some floor tiles. I did. Do I need to like close it and open it again? Yeah, okay. That works. And then I believe I just do generate visual layers. Oh, and I probably need a light source, huh? Let's look at this. So, because it's like really dark, right? Let's make this blue for Lucario. And orange for his, right? Lucario's got blue and orange. Oh no, he's blue and yellow. That's what it is. It's like a kind of a gold, like that. It's already looking better. But how do I get the light? Why does it look so much better in this than in mine? Dust modulate color. Sure. Fog shader controls. This one. Hue shift 0. Was it background 2 hue shift? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, there's a modulate on this. Interesting. Yeah, how do I make it so bright? Is it because I didn't do the space holes? No. Oh, is there a visual setting? Oh, there we go. I was looking at the wrong thing. Floor color. Got it. So yeah, let's just make it a little bit brighter. Make it kind of blue. And then the floor bottom will also be brighter, and it'll be that like Lucario. Yeah. And then I've got to get rid of these now and generate visual layers. Cool. I love it. This is so cool. Okay, okay. Now it's time for the walls. Assign a gray box tile set for collision design. Ooh. Awesome. Let's look at Mankey. Mankey's got some walls, right? Whoa, okay. So gray box is this one. Gray box, boom. Next, paint gray box tiles to design collision areas. Okay. Where are my walls? You know what? I don't even have walls in this one, so maybe I don't need the wall generator. Let's just not deal with that. Okay, I've got like 5 minutes left, so let's punch out. Let's punch out some floor. I'm gonna bring this to the next screen, just so that I can move a little faster. Hang on. Sorry, thought I heard a knock at the door. Okay, so this is gonna go all the, where's my paint? There we go. All the way down. And then, yeah, the player will be right here. So let's add the player. Player spawn right there. Boom. Next is this. And then this. And then like this. Now let's do some holes just for dramatic effect, I guess. And then that's where the goal is going to go. Right there. And it will be disabled. Okay, back to this. Oh, too far? I think I can go too wide. Like this. And then just like that. Let's do some cutouts just to make it look a little cooler. Something like that. And then there's going to be a box. Pushable box right here. The progress is progressing. It sure is. So exciting. And then floor button. No, what do they call it? Pressure plate. Pressure plate. Will be right here. Is that good? Yeah. I like that. I like that. Although, what am I missing here? Do I need to do this again? No. 2 down. What is the sorting on this? 0. This should be -1, I think. Maybe it's because I haven't generated yet. Does Mankey have a pressure plate? Yeah, so the boxes show up like that until you run the thing. That's interesting. Is that true of the main scene? Oh yeah, they don't even show up until you run the code. Interesting. It didn't seem so easy last time. Yes, that's true. Yeah, we had a meeting. We talked about how difficult it is to make stuff for the game, and now it's easier. So Things are coming together. Let's do some like floating platforms out here just to make it look cool. It's a P. I didn't want it to be a P. There. Cool. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Although I think that this side needs to connect to that side, so we're going to go down a little bit here. Does that connect over? Nope. We got to go even farther down. Like that. Okay. Next, we need another pressure plate. We'll name this one pressure plate 1. And pressure plate 2. Pressure plate 2 goes up here. Pushable box 1, pushable box 2. Oh, and there's a third pressure plate. So actually, I'm going to move pressure plate 2 to right here. Maybe right here? Something like that. And then, where's my other box? Actually, let's move box 1 to right here. Okay. And now it's time for some rotating doors. Swinging doors is what we call them. So the first one will go here. Like that. And it will be orientation left, rotating counterclockwise. So, yep, just like that. Perfect. So that'll be 1. Let's go number 2. Goes right here. And it will be orientation right. It will be closed. And it'll open clockwise. So, yeah. Perfect. Although I should probably do it as closed like this, huh? Okay, down, and it rotates counterclockwise. Yeah, okay. And we can color these now. So we're going to do that Lucario yellow that I put in here. Crap. What did I just do? That was not correct, whatever it was. There we go. All right, that's the end of my time. I got kind of close. I'll finish this up tomorrow, and then we'll start working on the other puzzles. But yeah, this is pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. We got, yeah, let's see, what did we do today? Got the Play Store published, or like submitted for review. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. Your changes are now in review. Okay. I thought for a second I could publish it. I would have done it. But no, it's just in review. And then we got the website up. And then we got a puzzle almost done. Good day, good day. All right. See y'all.